everyone, it's Teresa from the Yarn Shop around the corner. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I've been working on this Queen's blanket, and so I thought I would just do a little video talking about what's coming up and what's the best way to display it other than just to lay it out in the beautiful sunshine. And so here it is. I really enjoy the royal family and things like that, and so I really loved seeing the things they wear, and the Queen always just had such interesting outfits and her hats. I just loved when she went through the era of where her hat and her overcoat was the same color and was a little solid. I just thought it was so cool. But anyway, so I'm trying to get my shadow out of it. So I wanted to make these. The crown has 7 points for her 70 years on the reign. Of course, we know how much she always had her little black purse with her. But each one is just sort of my interpretation and fun with it. And then, like, my shadow's all in your way. I'm sorry, but I just had fun with these. I had no pattern. I had no particular idea. I knew that I just wanted it to be fun, and I wanted it to have the 3D effect. And then there is a way to make your edging straight, and so you just put less stitches, but I wanted it to be wavy, sort of like the royal wave, but I wanted it to have a little bit of flow and curves in it, and I wanted to do the red, white, and blue for, the flag. And so anyway, this is my Queen's blanket throw, and I am going to be doing videos talking all about how I made the hats, how I made the flowers, and of course that is a solid granny square, so you can watch any tutorial. Ophelia Talks Crochet has the best one that I like, and then the joining of the granny squares, Ophelia Talks Crochet also has one of those with just a single crochet. I really wanted that kind of ribbing, and because I love Ophelia, this is also a border that she has on her channel as well, and so I think it's called the easiest border. And of course I had to do, there's my shadow getting in the way, the poppy flower, and I just had so much fun with this, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. And if there's certain tutorials you'd like for me to do, I'm going to do some on the flowers, but not a lot. Really, I'm just going to talk about how I made them. So I hope you all have a great day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Okay, bye.